Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I have Vivo IQOO Neo 3. Okay, without wasting any time, let's start our unboxing. Inside the box there is another box, and inside that there is a TPU silicone protective case which will provide some kind of protection. Also there is a SIM ejector tool, and underneath that's our monster, Vivo IQOO Neo 3. Let us put the phone beside for a while and check what else we have inside the box. There is a 44-watt fast charger included in the box, and this one is really very fast. I am very happy with the performance of this charger. Also there is a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable included in the box. Okay, it's time to unwrap our monster. I have chosen the black color variant, and this is actually a blend of dark blue, black and silver. I really like this color blend. Okay, if you don't know yet, then the price of Vivo IQOO Neo 3 8 Plus 128GB variant in China is 2,998 RMB, which is equivalent to $430. Vivo IQOO Neo 3 comes with Snapdragon 865, and there are 3 variants. You can choose between 6GB, 8GB or 12GB RAM, and for the storage there are 2 options, 128GB or 256GB. Vivo IQOO Neo 3 comes with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Okay, if you are wondering whether there is a microSD card slot or not, no, there is no microSD card slot. And the fingerprint sensor is actually a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Registering the fingerprint was easy and it works pretty fast. Other than a secondary noise cancellation microphone, there is nothing on top. At the bottom there is a 3.5mm port, and that is really great. Also there is a primary microphone, USB-C port and a speaker grill. Yeah, Vivo IQOO Neo 3 got stereo speaker setup, but there is no Dolby Atmos. Power button and volume rockers are on the right side, and you already know that the power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor. If you haven't noticed yet, yeah, the camera bump at the back is really minimal, but I really don't like the glossy finish at the back. Sometimes it feels like it's a mirror. I've also done a comparison video between Redmi K30 Pro and Vivo IQOO Neo 3. I wish that you would watch that video. If you have liked this one, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel.